Assalamualaikum and hi guys. I Nurul Idayu binti Muhammad Sufyan, metric number 23 DLS 19F1024, and my friend Nurul Izzah, Nurul Anis Fatiha, Nur Adila, Nur Ain Aisyah, and Jennifer. Today, my group will present about the future challenge of supply chain management. My group question is, describe the future challenge of supply chain management, emerging technologies such as media social. The future challenge of supply chain is social media does not always protect the security privacy of users and dissemination of authentic report and information that disrupt the cooperative relationship of all parties in supply chain management. This is the bigger challenge and difficult to control. Next is the introduction social media in supply chain. The first one is social media bring business close to their customer. Social media provide a platform for communication and developing a thought leadership. When implemented well, it can help a driven business and provide significant investment return. If social media is included in the supply chain can get information from a variety of different resources. This collective intelligence can be used to make a more accurate decision. One of the tools of getting and disseminating information across the supply chain in social media. Next is that study showed that 1.5 billion use social media globally, with a 70% of business using it. Of the 500 companies, 70% use Twitter, 70% have active Facebook account page, and 69 use YouTube. They use to grow their business and bring value to their customer and company. It is estimated that the potential value of social media in the value chain is over 1 trillion annually. In addition, social media have a benefit the supply chain industry in many ways. Company can improve communication with customer, generate demand, reduce operation costs, reduce risk, and increase productivity. If company do not participate in media social, they may be at a loss because almost the customer, supply, and competitor. Lastly, social media help company come up with better idea. It is to improve supply chain process and solve existing problem by leveraging the collective view of supply chain trending partners. So now we know introduction media social in supply chain. So next is role of media social in supply chain.
A very good morning to lecturer and my classmate. Today I am going to talk about role of social media in supply chain management. Instead of staying away from social media, now companies are embrace the platform as a way from their company to expand their reach of online and tap into new revenue sources. Social media from employee can act as additional brand awareness building implementation. Social media could potentially completely shift the process of the industry. As of now, supply chain management professionals are watching what is happening with social media and preparing themselves as best as they can for upcoming changes. Social media can be used to capture information associated with various supply chain events. Social media allowed supply chain participants to monitoring supply chain event and transaction to keep everyone up to date with current situation, such as delay in shipping or carry file to pick up as a shipment. Use modern technologies such as social media can improve your organization supply chain management. It can create more visibility, improve communication, increase control, and reduce operational and labor costs. When you have more efficient and stable supply chain, you can enhance your customer satisfaction.
Nurul Anis Fatiha binti Muhammad Yusof, matrix number 23DLS19F1008. My point is, you should use social media to improve supply chain management. First, better communication with customer. Maksudnya dekat sini, kita kena guna social media untuk improve supply chain kerana social media boleh berkomunikasi dengan baik bersama pelanggan. Communication is the key to more profit. Seperti mana yang kita tahu, dapat berkomunikasi dengan pelanggan adalah kunci untuk kita mendapat banyak keuntungan. Companies need to maintain customer friendliness on social media through the use of word choice, the interval between question and answer, the intonation, and the time taken for the response quickly. Affect the customer, which will help to increase demand, increase sales rate, improve customer service, and reap huge profits. Maksud kat sini, apabila kita berhubung melalui sosial media, syarikat tersebut perlu menjaga keramahan atau tutur kata mereka dengan baik. Intonasi juga perlu dijaga supaya tidak disalaherti oleh pelanggan. Seterusnya adalah masa yang diambil untuk respon juga penting kerana ia sangat mempengaruhi pelanggan. Misalnya, pelanggan berminat dengan produk syarikat kita, pelanggan bertanya, respon ayat, intonasi dan juga masa yang kita ambil untuk respon tidak terlalu lama. Jadi pelanggan akan tertarik dengan produk kita. Oleh demikian, pelanggan telah meningkatkan kadar jualan, meningkatkan perkhidmatan pelanggan dan kita mendapat keuntungan. Communication with customer using social media allows you to increase your level of satisfaction and be able to repeat their order. Maksudnya dekat sini, bila kita dapat tarik ramai pelanggan melalui social media, kita akan rasa berpuas hati. Pelanggan juga akan suka dan repeat order mereka dan kita boleh restock banyak-banyak lagi daripada pembekal. Maksudnya dekat sini, kita boleh improve supply chain kita dengan berkomunikasi dengan baik bersama pelanggan. Is better communication with your supply chain. Dekat sini maksudnya kita kalau kita nak improve supply chain kita kena berkomunikasi dengan baik dengan pembekal yang lain. Social networking allows you to stay in touch in real time with your entire supply chain, so can manage it more efficiently, save more time and can increase productivity. Maksudnya melalui media sosial, syarikat boleh berhubung bila-bila masa saja dengan seluruh rangkaian bekalan. Dan ia dapat menyelesaikan proses dengan lebih cekap dan tidak mengambil terlalu banyak masa dan juga dapat meningkatkan productivity. Productivity dekat sini macam kecekapan pekerja atau sistem yang digunakan. After that, through social media, it can increase collaboration among the partner and allow for transparent group conversation with supply chain and can track logistical update, share data or knowledge, also can improve relationship and monitor progress across the entire network of suppliers. Maksudnya kat sini, melalui sosial media juga, banyak syarikat boleh berkomunikasi dengan baik bersama rakan kongsi yang lain untuk meningkatkan jualan mereka. Dengan ini, ia dapat berkongsi data dan juga feedback dari customer melalui sosial media untuk meningkatkan hubungan yang baik bersama pembekal.
Hi, my name is Nuriza binti Manawi, matrix number 23 LS 19F1032. I will explain about increased visibility and searching. As we know, SearchMap is the social media site that helps for increasing visibility of the supply chain. On the SearchMap platform, we can access all of information of supply chain on web, so we can pinpoint the origin of any part of product and contact any supplier. For example, Vans Shoes company use SearchMap platform to facilitate small retail operation exclude outside North America. SearchMap can collect all important information, especially raw materials, social risks, and environment related to the location. It accessible not only to the owner of the file but also for others. Next, social media is an excellent place to search new talent for supply chain. In fact, you will have access to millions of suppliers. For example, LinkedIn can be highly beneficial tool to use as part of procurement process. It can pinpoint exactly the skills and experience you are looking for in a new partner and find the right company to work with. For example, LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network website. It can be used to build connection in industry and stay in touch with colleagues, past and present. It's an invaluable tool for job search and recruitment and a great way to stay up to date with industry news, enhance your professional reputation and increase the visibility of
Today I want to continue our presentation. Before that, let's introduce ourselves. Okay, my name is Nur Ainisha binti Bahrom and my metric number is 23 DLS 19F1012. So today I want to continue about the 4-way benefit in social media. First is communicate. The communicate is supply chain company often struggle with showing more human side of their business. A buyer continually seeking a more personal connection to brand social media can help. Kebaikan penggunaan media sosial dalam berhubung adalah amat penting kerana sekarang ini musim ataupun zaman coronavirus sedang menular. Jadi lebih baik sekiranya kita menggunakan komunikasi media sosial di antara supplier dan buyer dalam melakukan perjanjian perniagaan. Seterusnya adalah gain in sync. Not only you can see what topic and trend competitor are posting about, but we can benchmark current digital marketing strategy against what others brands are doing. Making adjustment along the way will only help to make your marketing effort more successful. Gain in sync ialah sebuah company dapat mencari maklumat mereka dengan lebih mendalam sekiranya terdapat company lain yang mengeluarkan produk yang sama seperti mereka ataupun lebih tepat sebagai pesaing mereka. Jadi, dengan menggunakan media sosial, mereka dapat mencari maklumat sesebuah produk ataupun kualiti produk, juga cara pemasaran mereka dalam pemasaran produk mereka. Di samping itu juga, company dapat meningkatkan taraf serta cara pemasaran mereka dengan lebih efisien untuk menarik minat customer dalam membeli produk mereka. The next point is educate. In the world congested with content, it is important to make sure you are joining social network to add value to your followers. Creating posts that are educational as well as entertaining to audience will establish your brand as a thought leader in the supply chain industry. The last point is the new talent. The supply chain gap can fill the industry. In fact, more and more articles are being written about the crisis of hiring and, more importantly, retaining supply chain talent. Using social network can help boost branding for your supply. The new talent is bakat ataupun bakat baharu. Walaupun penjenamaan mungkin tidak mudah dilakukan untuk beberapa eksekutif pengurusan rantai yang bekalan, ini adalah kunci dalam dunia digital masa kini untuk meletakkan diri anda ataupun diri kita sebagai pemimpin pemikiran dalam industri. Ia juga dapat mendapat daya tarikan positif daripada bajikan. Sekian daripada saya dan kita akan bersambung pada
Metric F1066. There are 7 examples of social media used in the supply chain. First, send social media posts to indicate the arrival and departure of a shipment from particular distribution center or warehouse, di mana pembeli boleh mengetahui keberadaan barang mereka sama ada sudah dipost ataupun belum dengan cara memeriksa nombor tracking. Second, information about accidents and road closure can be issued that affect delivery times and can be used to reroute deliveries. Dengan cara ini, mereka dapat mengubah perjalanan mereka untuk menghantar barang setelah dapat khabar berita secara dalam talian. Yang ketiga, search for the need for shipments of a particular type. Contohnya seperti bila barang di luar negara nak masuk dalam Malaysia, mereka mestilah menggunakan kapal laut dan seterusnya menggunakan kenderaan di darat seperti lori dan van. Seterusnya, search for carriers which address a certain territory or area using a certain mode, menggunakan kenderaan seperti lori, kereta dan van. 5. Report weather conditions that might affect shipment. Dengan ini, pihak pengantaran boleh menilai perjalanan mereka untuk menghantar barang kepada pelanggan atas faktor cuaca yang tidak baik. 6. Coordinate supply chain shipment. If you have room on your truck for more shipments, broadcast this info out through the social media to find additional loads, iaitu siapkan maklumat di laman rasmi mereka di internet, Facebook dan sebagainya. And lastly, facilitate response to supply chain disruption via social media.